Hello, Rutuja. So, how you're feeling after doing the cord cutting meditation?
Yeah, so just now we practiced cord cutting meditation. So it was very much fabulous. From childhood till now, I was carrying the baggage of, insecurity, a lot of insecurity, and I did not realize, like after getting married, this feeling of insecurity actually multiplied at a very higher level. uh, I I don't know what was the reason behind this, but after doing the meditation, there was a clear picture of why this insecurity feeling actually exists in me. And it was such a relief that I could actually release it from the core of my heart and feel so light and so blessed that uh, I just got one thing to know, that my soul today learned the lesson which I had to learn in this lifetime. So a great thanks. I'm very grateful to ma'am that she really helped me, and this meditation helped me to actually know what my soul had to learn. So today, bang on this day, grateful to this day that you know I I released it today. And if not today, I don't know whether it would be such a bad thing that I'm just living with that feeling, that baggage, that negative feeling every day, carrying that with me and attracting the same situations again and again. But today, when I've released this feeling of insecurity, I'm damn sure that the pattern of my insecurity is broken and I won't attract the same thing again and again in my life. So I feel totally blessed, calm, and relieved. And I think today is the best day of my life. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this meditation. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you so much.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. So, what happened in the cord cutting basically? Whatever you have done, whatever your subconscious mind was holding, that we have literally at the energy level, we have cut it. And as you are feeling that, we have done that in the action. So, as we do that type of the practice, we actually feel that whatever is the energy we are sharing with that person, we are releasing that, we are cutting that, and we are allowing that person also to move ahead, because somewhere we are holding that person also in our energy field. And as we are holding that person in our energy field, so whatever is their values are there, whatever they are actually, with their positives and the negatives, we attract the similar type of the things in our life also, because somewhere that people are also carrying some negative vibrations, somewhere that people are also carrying some positive vibrations. So when we are in connected with that person at the energy level, we are attracting that also towards us. But when we release that, when we cut that cord between that person and us, that time we release from that burden of holding that person. And as we allow that person or situation to move ahead or to release, we make a space for the positive things to come in our life, which are aligned with our values. And this is how exactly the law of attraction works. So thank you so much, Rutuja, for joining, and love you. Thank you so much.